Hello, I'm Gerald Snyman from psycho.co.za, and here's all sorts of useful information about us, and you can get us involved with your video productions. And in this video we are going to unbox the Stagg EcoPAR 630. It's a LED, wash light, Japan board, RGB and white, 630 watts and DMX controlled. There's nothing else on the other sides, plain sides, but I want to point out that while they say it's a spotlight, this is more like a floodlight and basically a beam angle from about 90 degrees. And then low noise fan. The fan actually makes quite a lot of noise. What I experienced from this light is that the beam angle is about 90 degrees, and then also that the fan is making quite a lot of noise. Now I do manage to get a workaround the noise fan. So let's open it up. Now what we do find is the power cable, the bracket. Now this is not very well designed, and I'll show you in my review video, which you will find in the description, and also you can see it here. Then here's the light, the DMX in, out, power in and out to easily daisy chain power also, and then and it's mic, it's display, the buttons to control the menu. Here's the fan making actually a lot of noise, and then we have the menu, which is very short, but what I do find very useful is the menu tree, and then also the DMX channels. It makes things much easier, and then it's only the foam and the box is otherwise empty. So this is the content of the box, and then in the description you will find links to the installation and also the review of this stage light, where you will learn why I was initially really upset about the purchase of these lights, and quickly after using it I realized the benefit it has. And then finally, we encourage you to visit our website, where you can learn how to support our channel and also to get us involved in your video productions. And we do specialize in church productions in Pretoria. We gladly do it free of charge. And then obviously there are terms and conditions that do apply. We do encourage you also to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, and then you can watch the next video, which is going to be the installation. Thank you for watching.